So, welcome to the fifth and final type, the common type, a video presentation by Renzo Avellana. So, the common type. Here are four quick examples. Sokka and Katara from Avatar The Last Airbender, Kid Flash and Robin from Young Justice, Mugi and Ritsu from K-On!, and number 3 and number 4 from Codename Kids Next Door. Now I don't see any specific color for the common type. I just assigned the color blue for this presentation as it is distinct from the other presentation's colors. It is easy on the eye and it is a popular color. So here are pictures again of Katara and Sokka, two common type characters who wear blue. Now for the names. So for the original names, the adjective form is common, and for referring to people, the noun is fella. Now, for the alternative names, the adjective is balance and the noun is person. So, good examples again. Star and Sokka from After the Last Airbender. Okay, finally we will discuss the common type. This is the most abundant type of all. So here's a picture of many cats because among the 5 types, the common type is the most populous one. The defining trait of the common type is compatibility. Common fellows will throughout their lives make many strong relationships with other people. I think making friends and developing romantic relationships are easiest for common fellas. So here's an example: Beast Boy from Teen Titans. He had both a best friend, Cyborg, and a lover, Terra. The common type is attributed to neutrality. You can think of the 4 other types as the charged types, and the common type is the neutral type. The qualities that common fellas have are an absence or a mix of the other 4 types. Common fellas usually come in pairs. The majority of the time, the duo complement each other by being opposites, while the minority of the time, they are the same. So here are examples from The Legend of Korra. Bolin and Mako are a common duo, and they are opposites, while Desna and Eska are also a common duo, and they are the same. If the hero in the story has exactly 2 sidekicks, oftentimes they're the common fellas. So that's usually how it works. When in the story the hero has exactly 2 sidekicks, they are usually common fellas, the common duo. Now, there are no common subtypes. There are no subtypes for the common type. Roles in fiction, the common duos. In fiction, the best designed common fellas are the ones that come in pairs. So here are examples. So there are siblings, examples in TV series. Sokka and Katara from Avatar The Last Airbender. Bolin and Mako, and Desna and Eska from The Legend of Korra. Max and Justin Russo from Wizards of Waverly Place. Examples in movies. So there's Susan Storm and Johnny Storm, or The Invisible Woman and the Human Torch from the Fantastic Four movies. Both versions. Here is a real life example. So the siblings, the actors in the Philippines. So Alex Gonzaga and Tony Gonzaga are siblings, common siblings. Lovers, examples in TV series. Number 3 and number 4 from Codename Kids Next Door. Kevin and Gwen from Ben 10 Alien Force or Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. And number 6, Agent 6 and Dr. Holiday from Generator X. Freddy and Sam from iCarly. Lily and Oliver from Hannah Montana. Kurenai and Asuma from Naruto Shippuden or Naruto. Examples in movies. Han Solo and Leia from the original Star Wars trilogy. Ron and Hermione from the Harry Potter series. And here again is a real example of actors in the Philippines. Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera. They married. The most famous, I would say, the most famous actors in the Philippines. Best friends. Examples in TV series. So there's Carlos and James from Big Time Rush. Kid Flash and Robin from Young Justice. And here, real life examples again. Actors in the Philippines, Yam Yam and Fumiya, the winners of PBB in one of its seasons. Okay, how to write common fellas. Common fellas should come in pairs. It would be better if the two have a special relationship. They can be siblings, best friends, or lovers. Also make their personalities either opposite or the same. So here are examples of Saka and Katara. So these four are again the first examples, the four of them. So they're siblings, Saka and Katara, best friends, Kid Flash and Robin, lovers, number three and number four, and no special relationship, Mugi and Ritsu. And that is the end of this presentation. Here's a picture of the Invisible Woman and the Human Torch, two common type superheroes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.